Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my athane. By cleaning I mean like energy cleansing. So I got this athane very recently and we're going to do a little bit of cleansing. I'm not very good at cleansing, but any amount of cleansing is better than no cleansing. So I can put it on my altar and, so it can accept my energy, So I have some moon water, just some moon water. I've got some sage, dried sage, and I'm probably gonna light some incense. What incense am I gonna light? Probably patchouli. Patchouli's good for cleansing. So I've got this patchouli forest incense. Let's get started. Must have got some sort of dirt in it. So this is just some patchouli incense. Incense is great for cleansing. If you don't know what to do, then just get some incense and oh. When it comes to cleansing, you can take as long as you like, just feel it cleansing. I am now going to pop this there. Lovely. I haven't cleaned my mortar and pestle, so there we are. Shan't be using that. I guess I shall use my chalice today then. So this is my chalice. What I'm going to do is just pop some moon water. What am I going to do with the sage? I don't know what I'm going to do with the sage, whether I'm going to use it or not. I just know that sage is very, very good for cleansing. Lots of things, like whenever I get a throat infection, I use sage. It's just going to pop a little bit in there. Dip my fingers in it. Just so I want the energy to, what's in the energy to go, so I'm going to rub away from me right now. I'm not using a lot of water because I don't want to soak it, I just want to cleanse it. So I'm going away from me because I'm trying to get out any of the energy that's already in it so I can then put my own energy into it, so then we work very nicely together, you see. So I'm pushing away from me. Like just feel it, like you're grabbing it here and you're just pulling it all out, pushing it all out of the athane. Goodbye, I don't want this old energy. We're going to make new energy, aren't we? Yes, we are. Going to be friends. Yes, 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 we are. You know what, I'm going to put this dry sage into this, like that. Because chalices represent the woman, but also water, and then this represents normally, the male and sun. I would have used my mortar and pestle, probably, but it's still dirty from my last thing that I did the other day. So now this is sage and moon water. I love sage so much. I need to get a nice cloth. I don't have a nice spiritual cloth yet to dry it with. So let's go and grab more incense. Got a nice bit of sage water going down there. You can drink sage water as well, by the way. It's really good for your soul. Oh, I think it feels pretty good. I'm gonna get my big chunk of quartz and sit it on top of that. This is my big chunk of quartz. Oh, did you hear my knee click then? Wow. Oh, it's a heavy one. Heavy. So, just gonna, can't, just. Yes, there is dirt on this. And yes, I live with it. Just gonna chill this guy on it somewhere. Ta-da! Yeah. So I'm just gonna kind of leave it for a while, to be honest. I could leave it in the sun for a bit, but I don't think I'm going to because there are rats and I have a dog and mice outside and birds. And I just know that it's just gonna fall and break, so I'm just gonna leave it here. So once you feel that it's kind of cleansed of its old energies and that it can now very much accept your energies, just take it around with you kind of everywhere. I mean, it's pointy and it does it like it could potentially be a weapon. But I think if people see it, they'll be like, oh, you've got a magical wand. Oh, how cute. You like Harry Potter. I do love Harry Potter. But this isn't a wand. You can use it as a wand. Like, I think I probably will use it as a similar way. I think I'll definitely use it as a sort of projection and also a slice, if that makes sense. I have a wand. I know a lot of people would be like, how the hell is that a wand? It's really crooked. It speaks to me so much. It just speaks to me. I love it. And yeah, it's a really messy wand and it's way longer than my elbow crook to my fingertips, but it just really speaks to me, this wand. So I use this as my wand and I love it. I'm crooked. Not in an evil way, but like, I'm an eccentric person. I think most witches probably are eccentric because, you know, we're witches. But yeah, this is really nice. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. But yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that cleanse, and then once it's cleansed, I'm gonna bond with it. So thanks for watching. If you found this at all helpful in any sort of way, there are probably loads of witches on YouTube that know how to cleanse way better than I know, but this will definitely do. This will definitely work. Yeah, pretty much. Bye.